37th participant in the Silva challenge is Keith from the Outlaw Speed Shop YouTube channel. Now, I'm sure most, if not all of you, are familiar with Keith. I need to start this video by saying if it wasn't for Keith and the amazing customs he builds and the encouragement that he gave me at the start of this channel, I don't know that this channel would even be here right now. But definitely one of the finest builders out there. He's been distracted recently by shiny objects called RC cars. But because of his influence on this channel, I must take this opportunity to punish him. So I have hand selected some castings for this challenge. So let's get started. Yes, I'm giving him a cool combi because I'm certain that Keith thinks these are cool. And yeah, I don't need to say any more about the cool combi. Here's an old, somewhat beat to hell 70 Chevelle SS by Hot Wheels. Keith likes Chevelles. Actually, this looks like one he might have owned. Look at how that back axle bends here. Yeah, I just picture him jumping on it a few too many times, but let's throw a Chevelle at him. See if he does anything to it. Maybe, maybe not. You know, we'll see. Here's an old Hot Wheels van. He's done some cool van builds over the years. Gotta give him a surfing school bus by Hot Wheels. Keith had a bad experience with a bus once, and well, those of you who know. Those who don't, you can find out. You can always ask. Here's a COE that I stripped the real riders off of. I've always liked the COE casting, and I've planned to do a COE build for a while. I'd like to see if Keith uses this in the build. Could be pretty cool. Hey, a Wienermobile. I don't know, I just thought Keith would like a little wiener in this box. So we'll get that out to him. A boat? Yeah, just cuz. Why not? Maybe you'll use some of it in the build. Here's what Chevelle, isn't it? Yeah, 70 Chevelle wagon. Chevelle SS wagon. I've always liked the look of that casting. Oh, gotta move the wiener. I think it's in the way. Let's see. A helicopter, just because I've been throwing helicopters in some of these builds. Let's see. I like to throw construction stuff in there. Here's a Matchbox tractor shovel. So that should be kind of cool. A Ford Anglia. He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. Keith likes to fancy him the He-Man type, so why not give him the He-Man Ford Anglia? That looks like a big hawk, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm not saying anymore. You fill in the rest. Now the science friction, this is an old Hot Wheels black wall casting. This thing's obviously beat to hell. I have in my collection a custom done by Keith that he based on the science friction and did it. I think it's one of the best customs he's ever done. Go back and look at his video on that. And I bought that from his website when he had it for sale, and I think the minute I bought it, he regretted that it sold. And truly, I think it is one of his best builds. And I'm making it easy on him. So if he decides to pass on all this other stuff because, you know, he wants to keep the little wiener the way it is, you know, or not touch the big hawk, and the school bus, I figure there's a good chance he's just going to set that on fire. I am throwing him the Matchbox 4x4 Scrambulance. This thing is a natural to go post-apocalyptic with. It has everything about the look already to it. And so, you know, this is, yeah, I'm giving him an easy one so that if he wants to just coast on it, If he wants to coast on the build, head that way. What other crap am I going to throw at him? Well, I don't know what these little things are, but they're round circle things. I don't know. What else? Yeah, I'm just going to throw random crap in here. Hey, how about a telephone keypad? Yeah, why not? That works. Yeah, a circuit board. Maybe you can use that. A K7 tailgate. Which, oddly enough, I'm actually in the process of a K7 build. That might have come off that build since I checked it. Lord knows, that's probably off a telephone. Makes me think of the telephone there. What else am I gonna throw at him? Huh. Here's a couple metal tubes. What else? I think nothing else out of that little tub. How about this one? What kind of junk do we have in here? That's another part from K7. Yeah, it looks, whatever. Huh. It looks like a little broken gun. I think that's a hood off a yeah, there's a Z logo on it. I thought it was like off a 240, 260, 280Z, that kind of, those models. Something with teeth, okay. Here's an engine. How about a little head? Okay, that fits. I don't know what the hell that is. That looks like some kind of thing that a tube would go on to, but yeah, I'm getting rid of all kinds of junk in this one. Oh, more teeth. Okay, that works. A grill from something with one headlight. Yeah, I'm trying to throw all kinds of junk at them. Oh, hey. That's kind of a cool grill looking thing. Don't hurt yourself opening this, Keith. There might be pointy objects in here. Not a clue. Looks like an axle or something. You're going to get this and you're going to wonder, why did I agree to do this? Silva just does it to get rid of his crap. And you know what? You'd be right. Okay, that's enough true junk. Let's bust out some 3D parts. Okay. Let's throw him a set of tracks. Lord knows those can come in handy. Guns. Guns. Small guns. Skulls. More skulls. I think he probably still has the Citadel skulls box, because I think those of us who bought those boxes still have skulls coming off of that thing. Rockets. A thumper. 3D printed thumper. Oops. That might not survive the trip, though. That's kind of brittle. Another skull. Throw that in there. These wheels. Man, I just love these wheels. You know? I really do. They're some of my favorite things to print. Some engines. Metal plates, different kinds. I mean, they're not metal, but they look like metal. Front grille stuff, ram stuff. Oh, how about one of these? Yeah, I like those. I'll throw one of those in there. Some other front grille stuff. Oil drippers. More oil drippers. Yeah. I think I'm happy with that. That's a decent amount of crap, if I say so myself. So, Have fun with it, Keith. I'm really looking forward to see what comes out of this box of crap. Everybody, I hope you enjoy I hope you enjoyed seeing me put this box together as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Bus. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.